Hi, I'm Tammy. So I'm going to make a peach old-fashioned. So what we're going to do is going to take a couple of slices of fresh peach. We're going to put it in this glass. We're going to take a couple of maraschino cherries. We're going to put them in this glass. We're going to, oh, this is a peach maple old-fashioned. I failed to say that. Grab the maple syrup. I'm going to take the maple syrup, if I can get it undone. There we go. And we're going to put a couple of bar spoons of maple syrup in the glass. Not too much because we don't want it too strong. And then we are going to muddle that in this glass. We just want to let these flavors come out. So we're going to muddle them together. All right. All right, once they're muddled together, bourbon here. 2 ounces of bourbon. There's 1.5. There's 2. And then we're going to do 2 dashes of bitters. 1, 2. And I'm using golden bitters. Give that a stir. And then I'm going to use a really fine strainer because I don't want all of these extra particles to go into my glass. And I've tried this different ways and I found that I double strained it on some. I've done it all different ways, but this strainer is really fine mesh, so works pretty good. All right, now it is ready to drink. So we're going to do the taste test. Cheers. Perfect. This is delicious. You can taste little bits of the peach. It has just a hint of the maple syrup. It's not overpowering. It is wonderful. If you like bourbon, if you like old fashions, you need to give this a try. Thanks for watching. Cheers.